You are that inspiration for many people because you started your study and cracked the highest institute, and that's with high color, third rank in urology. So
Thank you.
it's
Thank you,
a
sir.
Manav is here, Utsav is here, Anu's here, and then many people are joining. He just told me ki how you prepared. So this is a class with this is a video presentation kind of thing for you. Every time we people are presenting now, you have to tell ki how to study and what are the things, what are the tips and tricks for the urology to crack the highest level of exam. So, Utsav, Anuj, and Manav, today is Dheeraj our teacher basically.
Uh,
Congratulations, Dheeraj.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Uh, Sir, actually, I have started preparation from last year, sir. 2019 October, I have started my preparation, and last year I have got 265 rank in NEET SS. Actually, some bad luck was with me, sir, because I have standard in for 2 months in lockdown period in my village, sir, and where there is no internet facility and no, I have no books. And 2 months, I have not read anything, sir. And then I went to the exam and got 265 rank. And again, I have left my SRC and then started my preparation. And last 9 months, I was reading, only reading, sir. I'm not doing any job. And my plan was ki I saw only video and doing question answers, sir, and nothing else. I have not read Campbell text or any notes, sir. I only saw videos and doing question answer, only question answer, MCQs.
So, for you, that
Okay.
our class, which videos you are seeing, our classes videos or other videos kind of things that is available on internet?
Actually, I have joined the next academy because of you, sir. Because I have attended your class last year in a Speed Institute, and your class was very good for me, sir. And that's why I have joined only because of you. And I think this was a very good decision because
Yeah.
sir, Indian X Academy, many topics are very good, sir. Actually, Manav sir taught us infection and endology. That was very good. And you taught, sir, RCC, bladder cancer, adrenal. That was also very good, sir. General surgery, general urology. General urology was very good, sir. And carcinoma prostate. That was also awesome, sir. Very good. Carcinoma penis, sir, taught, sir. That was also very good. Overall, sir, you had a complete package. It was a very good experience, sir. It was the best decision I have made.
So I must tell you, you are the very when I started the DNX Academy, our team aim was like that: ki we should guide the student, we should help the student, and you are the very few student who came us and just joined. And it's now I'm feeling proud. It's a DNX team that uh, because of you are the first 10 student who gave the exam, and you were around seventh or eighth rank. You got that
Yes,
registration
sir.
test.
Yes, eighth rank. Eighth
So
rank.
after so
And
you
and you refunded me 4,000 rupees for that.
yeah, I remember that day you
Yes, scholarship program.
and you remembered my voice on that day. I called you
Yes,
and
sir. Yes,
you are saying that it's an amazing feeling for me as a teacher because you are my
yes,
first student kind of thing who was believing on us. And
yes.
that Manav, Utsav, Venkat, Anuj, Ratnavel, that physio ma'am, that
Yeah.
wood ma'am.
Physio, radiology, and Ratnavel sir taught us anatomy and UPJO. That was also awesome, sir. Very good.
Yeah. So, what is the team? What is the what I personally believe ki I cannot be good in every subject. So I divided the topics in between the various faculty. So they are preparing for particularly some one topic and for more concentrating on the one or two topics. So I think that was my idea and my team members' idea. So I think as per you, it's worked. And you are saying you are not at Campbell. Is it
I have
correct?
not read. I have not read Campbell, sir. I have not read your notes also. I have seen only videos and doing MCQ. That was my plan, sir, and nothing else. Because I have experienced that कि मतलब I have remembered that thing only. I have done as a MCQ. Text I will not remember, sir. That's why I have planned to do MCQ only and saw the video.
And so you attended all MCQs. So MCQs explanation helped you a lot. That means because
Yes, sir.
many Manav took the class on that.
And concise explanation also.
Yeah, that Sugam is not here. He is the main key factor for the all MCQs. He is the making, and he is dedicated for MCQ. He is kind of thing our chip card of the DNX Academy, kind of thing. It's DNX Academy is working because of him only. And explanation we are giving with Campbell page number reference. So you can, if you have doubt, you can go back and just see that explanations. And when you started thinking that you should go for urology, just because I don't want to discuss about all, I just want to think and what the students are thinking about urology. Because when I gave exam, that time it was general surgery based. So I read the general surgery and I came in the urology because it's my deem branch. So now the NEET SS is there, that is particular branch is there. So when you started your preparation, you said almost 1 year back. And when you thought about the urology, that you should go to urology.
Yes,
and why you choose the urology? You can go for
sir, actually, when I was PG and yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I when I was doing PG, and I used to go my unit chief's clinic, sir, to assist him. And at that time, one urologist came and for 10 to 15 minutes case and 15 to 20 minutes case, they are doing and went for money and मतलब उस समय मेरे को लगा सर कि इससे बढ़िया ब्रांच तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yeah, actually, urology where you
15 मिनट की सर्जरी करो, 15 मिनट की सर्जरी करो और पैसा लो और जाओ.
Yeah. It's like that, but if you are now your urologist, so welcome to the world of urology. You will feel the more satisfaction because you have minimum complication in your surgeries. You will finish your case early. You can do multiple cases in a day if you are in a day. So it will kind of think you are have more patient to patient interaction. You have more satisfaction also. So money is the second part. I think job that work satisfaction and it will come.
Job satisfaction very important.
Very important.
Yes.
So you thinking. So what is your message? Who are the student who are preparing for this exam, neurology or any other branches? How they now you cross the boundary. So you can tell how they started, how they should start this preparation. What are the things?
Actually, I think, sir, they should start preparation from second year PG only. Because there is no need to waste your time, because I think, sir, in the first year PG there is a lot of work to do. Then we will have not enough time to read. Whether the best time to start your preparation from second year surgery, second year PG.
Yeah, I also feel the same thing because second year is a part when you are starting for your general surgery, and you should decide your branch from second year only. Then you have 2 years. There is no point to waste the 1 year after that your final year exam, because anyways time that we are all adult, we have families, we are almost married or verge of married. We should not waste 1 year of preparing in this. So my personal opinion also like that we should start from second year. And my DNX motto is the basic to best. So your basic should be strong to clear any exam. See, as you are saying, the videos and MCQs help, but what I feel, your basics are best because that's why you clear the biggest exam of the country.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So basics is always be there. Whether you choose what are the methods are there, you go for Campbell, you go for some other book, or you go for videos or MCQs, but your basic should be strong to clear any exam in the world. So I think that is a more important part. And second thing, how you manage this time in this COVID era, because you got selected in last AIIMS, then not selected in AIIMS, then this year you selected, and I know about the PGI, what happened with you. You are not able to board the flight because of COVID.
Yeah.
So this is mental challenges because you got selected, not got selected, and again got selected, and you're not, and your interview was good, as you discussed with me. It was good because you reached the level of management and the trials and all. So if you reach the any interview in this part of them, that means you are definitely going to select. And then
Yes.
you miss the PGI that day also. You are so depressed that you
I'm very much depressed that day, sir. Very much depressed.
yeah, correct. But I told you, God is great. You did a hard work. It will be going to pay you. So that I think that's the
Now I
way.
can say that. Now I can say that, sir.
Yes. Now I also can say, but I message you. You will get select names because as you are, I am seeing your preparation when you are giving the test. I know what are the questions you are doing wrong and which are the part is your weak. If you talk to me frequently also, so
Yes, sir.
I think the discussion I always tell in class, because you have to discuss the thing. You have to put groups your doubts and all. If you are not putting your groups in doubt, that means it is in your inside something is insecurity. If you are more secure about your preparation, then there is no chance that you will not get selected. So you put your doubt, come out with the new things and all. So I think that will be also help the student.
Yes, sir.
One of the student asked which MCQ book you preferred for your preparation.
Sir, I have done Campbell review, Parag Gupta, and your MCQ question bank, sir, and nothing else, sir. That's
So and sir, that means you are saying your all MCQ was coming of this old exams books like review, Campbell review, Paragupta, Linux
yes,
test series and all. So that's also the message of my side also, that MCQ is the key. But before that, we have to do some strong theory. Campbell review is very good book. But
actually last year, sir, I have read thoroughly. That's why this year I have done only MCQ, nothing else.
and what about you're thinking about guidelines? Then many questions are, especially in AIMS, they are asking many guidelines. So should they how they should read the guideline?
Sir, I have read only flow chart, and that is only sufficient. That will be sufficient, sir.
Yeah, I'm also the same thinking the same.
I am not read AU guideline or EAU guidelines, sir.
So
I have
you
read
did
only flow chart.
NCC and flow charts and all.
I have not read, sir. Not
So which flow chart you read for guidelines?
read. That is given only in Campbell.
Okay, that flow charts you read for that book.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good. Actually, that's a very good thing that you see. This is an important thing that how you how you plan yourself, because
Yes.
you are clear in your thinking. What are the things you have to read and what you are not wasting time to others thing, other less important topic. So according to what are the important topic of Campbell or other any general surgery that is more important.
Sir, I think general urology, stones, and oncosurgery whole part is very important, sir. And we should also read renal physiology, sir. That is also important, very important.
Yeah.
And I have given least time on pediatric urology and female urology, sir.
Yeah, there will be one or two questions are coming. So
Yes, sir.
you did the balancing thing. You are strong in some part and you leave the least important part. And that is a smart
Yes.
study basically you did. That's it.
That I have not escaped it, but I have read least number of times, like 2 or 3 times, sir. That's all.
Okay. And now how many times you revise this MCQ books and all?
MCQ book I have done revision 5 or 6 times, sir.
And then you must remember all MCQs. That's why I'm also
Yes.
saying, and we as a team also saying, you cannot afford mistakes in old MCQ. New MCQs are coming that is new for everyone. And
Yes, sir.
what I personally feel that see, people should read the Campbell also, because I also suggested Campbell that at least bold lines, important topic you should read. Campbell review is must. And whenever you're reading, just tables, flowcharts, and para. You select the para which is para important, the first 3-4 lines, last 3-4 lines, because that are the crux of that page that you should read by more concentration, by thoroughly, and that is the trick for quick revision also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ana Utsav.
Yeah, hi Neeraj, congrats.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I have one or two questions. One is how important do you feel is the general surgery portion in NEET at least? So right
Yes,
now
sir.
upcoming exam will be NEET for our students. So can you guide them how they should divide their time between general surgery and urology?
Yes, sir. Actually, I have divided general surgery, urology, and general surgery in 60 to 40 ratio times. Actually, 60% time I have read urology and 40% time in general surgery. And once before the AIMS exam, I have totally left the general surgery and completely focusing on urology.
Okay. And second is, were you preparing for any other subject?
No, sir. Only urology.
Okay.
No, sir. Only
So
urology.
even I feel that if there is a single focus, it is a bit of a risk, but it definitely helps, right? What do you think?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yeah. And you didn't even see the key points in the of the Campbell. Like, uh, did you read the tables or the key points, or you just went through various videos only?
Sir, I have went through the various videos and MCQ, and the important parts of the review, sir, and that is not covered in the videos or in the other MCQ books, sir. That I have read the explanation of review also, because I thought that reading whole review is the wastage of time. If in revision, in doing revision, there will be a lot of wastage of time, sir. That's why I have read only that topic that is not covered in the video or other MCQ books.
Okay. And lastly, any advice particularly for cracking a Central Institute exam?
Sir, in cracking Central Institute, I think it is a little bit easier, sir, because you can predict the thing. Because there are certain topics they are focusing, sir, as a general urology and oncosurgery is very important for the Central Institute exams, sir, and stone part. And NEET is little bit unpredictable, sir. You cannot predict the things in NEET, sir.
Okay. And how did your interview go? Like, you did the AIMS
Sir,
interview?
I thought, sir, it was bad, but ultimately they have given me 16 marks.
Out of 20.
Yes, sir.
Oh, great.
Actually,
All right. Thank you, Dheeraj. Dr. Manav.
First of all, Dheeraj, very, very congratulations.
thank you, sir. Sir, your topic was amazing, sir. Infection, andrology. Ultimate, sir.
Actually, I try to cover, but I think it should be useful to you, to all the people. And what was your time schedule? How you were managing time, and how you are studying? You just tell that how in the morning you
Sir,
start, and
sir,
actually this you are doing job also, or you are just studying? You are just studying.
listen, I have left the job 9 months ago, sir. And
Okay.
For 9 months, I was completely focusing on my studies.
Okay. Then it will be good. Okay. You are just
10
studying
to
for
12
full
hours.
day. 10 to
Yes,
12
sir.
hours.
10 to 12 hours. 10 to 12 hours I will daily study.
Okay, great. Okay, congratulations, and we are very proud of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, sir. In future also, any need anything, you can. We are there to help you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anuj, Vipin sir.
Anuj, unmute yourself. Anuj, are you there? So Dheeraj, how you prepare for interview? Because you clear the theory 2 times but failed in interview 1 time. So how you prepare interview this time?
Sir, actually, you have sent me the one PDF note, sir, of Neeraj Sharma.
Yes.
I have read it thoroughly, and one instrument book I have got of
Sabina sir.
Sabini sir.
I only send you that also.
That also I have read, sir. And from internet, I have seen a lot of CT pictures and CT urography, IVP. That also helps.
Yeah, you asked me about radiology also. Yeah, correct.
Yes, sir. Yes.
And in love. So when Lakshman asked me, is it must to read whole Campbell? How to manage reading Campbell?
Sir, I have told earlier also that I have not read Campbell.
Yeah. So what
Actually,
I
last time I have read some part of it, and the bold line, the flow chart, tables. That is very important, and most of the questions are from there only.
so Manav, can you say something about the what are the things important in Campbell? How to read Campbell in quick time? Is 3 months ahead now for exam.
Actually, mainly Campbell, you have to cover like now first volume is mainly pediatrics. In pediatrics, main important topics you should cover like Wilms tumor, PUV, VUR, ANH. Important topics you should cover and read the Campbell review. And in second part, you should read all the stone part you should read, and no need to go into surgery part. Like first two chapter etiopathogenesis and that medical management and surgical management, just know the names and all. And you should not, and you should know the how to manage, like they are not going into surgery details of the surgery. You should read like in the stone you should read etiopathogenesis first 2 3 chapters, not go details of the surgical. And otherwise onco you should read, leaving surgery aside, you read all the topics. Onco second volume, you should read RCC and carcinoma testis, carcinoma penis you should read. That is only one chapter, and you should go for the review. Campbell review you should read full. And then
Yeah,
third one,
Campbell.
yes, Campbell review, and you can retrospectively see the Campbell. Like if you are having any doubt, you should retrospectively see the Campbell, then it will be beneficial also. Actually, I think that retro study will be more beneficial in the end time, but first you go through all the black points, highlight key points, everything you should read. Mainly cancers you have to read, stones you have to read, and pediatrics you can go through Campbell review, it will be sufficient. And this infertility also you should go through review. You just listen to my lecture and go through the review, everything will be covered, I think. And infertility infections also, it will be like that only. You should go through all the questions, it will be sufficient. And this cancers are important. Onco surgery, onco urology is important. You should read Campbell also. You should go through whatever guidelines, some part of the guidelines they have given. And main important thing is go through all the old questions. All old questions you should read. Main is onco and stone you should read full. And other this will cover, I think. Campbell review will cover. What do you say, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir. Yes, that will be more than sufficient, sir.
Actually, first volume you can leave. You can do review. Earlier we were saying when there were 4 volume at our time, we were saying that read 2 volumes and other 2 volumes read review. We were saying like that. Now they have changed pediatrics to the first, and they have made some changes. That's why this change. At my time, what I read 2 full volume of Campbell, and rest 2 volume I read questions like review only. That will
Actually,
be
sir, actually going retrogradely from review to Campbell, that is not work for me, sir. Actually,
okay.
First I have seen the video, then I have done review, then it will be more beneficial.
Okay.
As for me, sir.
Well, I also believe the same thing. You should have some basics first, then
That
go for
is the-
MCQ, then review and all the things. So
Yes, sir.
you should have some theory, because otherwise you will MCQ you will forget one day if you don't have basic. So the both way is important. So start with basic. When you are in last part of your exam, the retrograde study is also very much important, because it's a quick revision and scoring system.
If there is no basics, sir, then I think that there is
definitely.
no. Yes, sir.
Definitely. First you should read the Campbell black points, key points you should read, and listen to lectures if you are having some lectures, and that will be sufficient. And definitely questions are going in the end. Questions are going to help you, save you. And actually sometimes some tricky questions are there. You can manage with the questions.
Dheeraj, how you are managing between general surgery and urology, because you are preparing for NEET SS also. So how you are managing between the portion ki how much time you have to study for urology and how much time to study for the general surgery? How you are managing this time?
Sir, I have divided time in 60 to 40 ratio, sir. say 60% time I have given to urology and 40% to general surgery.
And you how much hours you are reading in a day? That doesn't important, but many people ask me the same question: how much hours they should read, because it depends on your capacity, how much you are learning in it 1 hour.
Yes, sir. 10 to 12 hours I have read for last 9 months. Sir.
Yeah, I also feel the same thing. You have to give your 100% for next 3 months, then only you get clear. And so you are basically reading the Bally and MCQs that basic the success key for you. And so Dheeraj, Utsav, one question for you. You are from PGI. So what kind of topics are important for PGI now? What are the important topics in Campbell or general surgery that people should read for this? I know it's a difficult question to ask, but
No, but I am in SGPGI, so that is under NEET.
yeah. Yeah, I know that, sir, but that central exam have different pattern because there is no the AIMS pattern, ki how it's cracked.
Yes, sir.
So see,
I think sir, it is little bit easier, sir, to crack the central institute exam, sir.
see, I am not very sure about how. See, but what I can tell you is, suppose if NEET, if SGPGI wouldn't have been part of NEET, let's talk about then every department will have so central institutes which conduct their own exams like AIMS, PGI will be having a tendency to ask certain questions more, certain topics more. Like if at all SGPGI would conduct their own exam, then they would ask transplant a lot more, because this is one of the leading centers for renal transplant. And without doubt, it is the leading center for pediatric urology. So it is a very great center for pediatric urology, and they do a lot of good work. So these are questions which anybody can expect. So if say there are 100 questions, they will get 10 questions at least in pediatric urology, which will not be asked anywhere else. So much pediatric urology, and even transplant will be asked in detail. What I can also tell you is that what Dheeraj already said, that they also, there is a lot of importance to interview, and sometimes you don't understand why you didn't clear in the first attempt. But most importantly, I feel they want to know whether this candidate has the idea of where he wants to go, and whether the basics are clear, because what they want is they want to do only they want to just polish you, they don't want to teach you everything. So let's say if Dheeraj goes to the AIMS OPD, from first day itself he can order, he can ask a patient to get a report for a TURBT if he sees a patient with a 2 centimeter mass in the bladder. So I feel that is how things are. But as of now, for our other students, they should be targeting NEET, and fortunately or unfortunately, NEET has only theory. So I think right now we should focus on cracking NEET, because that is the next biggest hurdle.
Yes, it's okay. Yes, sir, you're absolutely right. Now, NEET is very much important. General surgery part is also important now, because last year the general surgery part is a deciding factor in your selection. So that is important also.
Yeah, even I have spoken to a lot of candidates. They all say that the difference where a person will make it or break it is general surgery.
Yes, correct.
So those who make into NEET, they generally get make it into the top ranks in NEET. They generally get more than 35 or 36 correct out of 40 questions, which is a huge number. But with each question wrong in general surgery, you lose, let's say, 25 or 30 ranks, or maybe more. We don't know. So I believe even Dheeraj will agree with that.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So Dheeraj, your counseling is done with AIMS?
No, sir. Last date is 22nd June, sir. I have to upload the consent form, and from 1st July to 15th July, I have to join the department.
So how many seats are there in New Delhi AIMS?
New Delhi, there is 1 seat, sir.
Okay, so and which are you planning to opt for?
No,
Like
he got selected in Bhubaneswar AIMS, sir.
You already got it.
Yeah.
Counseling is done. See,
Counseling is done. Oh, you already got selected. Oh yeah. So Bhubaneswar AIMS is very good actually. They have a very great director, Madam is there, and they are doing very good 3D lab also. So great place to learn and provides for a lot of periphery of Odisha. So and a lot
Is
of
there
good.
any, sir, is there any
Yeah,
language problem in Odisha, sir? Because some people have told that there is language problem.
No,
not
no.
much.
Interacting with patients, sir.
I am not very sure.
No,
Probably
I know
Vipin
the
can answer.
Bhubaneswar. My roommate in MCH was from Bhubaneswar only, that Dr. Jyoti Ranjan. There is no problem for language in Odisha. They know the Hindi very well, no problem with that.
So
And
you had
even
an
I
option
have,
to apply in Rishikesh. How did you choose? Like I'm just asking. Rishikesh and
Sir,
Rishikesh,
Rishikesh this
Bhubaneswar, and
time,
Delhi are the front runners, I think, in choosing, or even
Rishikesh this
Jodhpur.
time, Rishikesh this time there is no seats, sir.
Okay.
One seat in New Delhi and two seat in Jodhpur. But I have heard that there is more cutting in AIMS Bhubaneswar, sir. That's why I have chosen AIMS Bhubaneswar in front of ahead of Jodhpur.
Okay. Great.
Dheeraj, few questions are there on Facebook. I can take the question and you can answer them. Just a minute. So MCQ, MCQ book for Euro apart from Campbell review.
Sir, I have done Parag Gupta and your sir MCQ test series, and I have done few other things also, sir.
Like
I have joined search test also.
you joined STS
Uh,
also. That's good, great.
search test MCQ bank, sir.
Okay, okay. And so you are kind of thing Parag Gupta, DNex Academy, Search MCQs and all. Good.
Yes, sir.
And is Pritesh is sufficient for general surgery?
I don't think so, sir. Because if there is an image-based question, then you will miss it, sir.
Yeah, correct.
I think Bailey we have to read thoroughly, sir.
Yeah, correct. Too.
Bailey plus Pritesh Singh, I think this is more than sufficient.
Yes, correct. I also feel the same thing because now its pattern is changed. The questions are coming on a image-based kind of thing. So you should know the basics, at least for the Bailey and that Sebastian and that Campbell and this one.
Pritesh Singh has written Sebastian, I think most of the topic they have written Pritesh Singh, sir. Pritesh Singh is good book. And if you have done Bailey and with Pritesh Singh, I think general surgery this is more than sufficient.
Okay, Dheeraj, again, the heartiest congratulations from DNex Academy team. We wish that you will bright as sun in a urology, and welcome to the world of urology. You will like the things in urology because it's lovely thing. It's amazing. You can't amazing the life.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone ask anything? Otherwise, we'll close the session now. Okay. Okay, then Dheeraj, thank you again from DNex Academy team. Thank you very much, Dheeraj. Thank you everyone who joined us. Thank you very much.
I can leave now, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.